Want to know how to install Replit AI in your desktop? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website, or just simply type in your search bar Replit download. So once you have selected it, you should be seeing Replit desktop app. So on the top interface right here, sometimes there might be an error like this. If there's an error, just simply towards replit.com directly. Make sure you are logged in. And on the bottom left side, you should be seeing install Replit on desktop or phone. So you can just simply select desktop right here. So once you have selected desktop, a new window should open up where you should be seeing your Replit desktop app. So you can just simply select download for Windows right here. So once you have selected download for Windows, your download should start up if there is not any error or downtime. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.